Ready? The hardest part about dirt biking too is you want to look, you want to see the view, but you can't stop and look over or else you're gonna freaking die. You want to go first?
Oh, you're doing awesome. You're getting the rear shot.
Oh, there you go. I got a little too confident there. I feel like I'm on top of the world up here. Alright, let's do a little mountain biking. This is what I'm actually good at while dirt biking. This downhill crap. I ain't so good at going uphill. I never claimed I was, nor will I ever be. I'm too big of a wuss, honestly, but going downhill, ah, yeah. I don't know why, I just feel like you have so much more control going downhill than you do uphill. But going downhill, I guess, is also when everybody like breaks their neck and their jaw and all the other scary crap that I really don't want to happen to me, so. So, we made it. The road, crappy. Would not recommend, 0 out of 10. But the view, once you get all the way up here, it's actually pretty legit, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely.
Wonder if it'll even be melted, if we'll be able to get up over here. Oh, it cuts us off to the side. I see. I'm picking up what you're putting down. Ah, crap. This isn't ideal. Kind of either looks like we can go down and around, or it looks like most people have been going up and over. That's the way. And this is going to be like my new Rainbow Road. If you haven't seen the post on my Instagram about Rainbow Road, you need to go get on Instagram and watch it, because it's pretty legit. It got like several million views. So you're missing out if you haven't seen it. Go watch it. Enduro Night Rider, at Enduro Night Rider on Instagram. Son of a gun. Well, this is a dilemma, because see, we can either go down and pray that we can make it back up some other way, or we turn around and have to do everything we already did, because it's a lot of snow and that is a long ways to go, it kind of looks like. And I'm not entirely sure that we can make it. And I'd hate to get us down in there and run into a spot where we can't get back. All right, well, I guess we're gonna go skiing and snowmobiling in May. Oh, it's a lot softer than I thought. This might be a mistake. Oh, I am getting a little concerned that we're going down into the trees and it's snowy. This is sick. You know what would just absolutely be terrible right now? And I know you never say this stuff while you're riding because then shit happens. But if I got a flat right now, wouldn't that suck? I'm afraid I'd just have to ride it down, honestly, and just buy a new tube. Or not a new tube, obviously a new tube, but a new tire. Not even a new tire, what am I talking about? I would need a new wheel, my bad. Trying to multitask in YouTube, I have found that is the hardest part. Like, when I'm riding hard, I have a hard time YouTubing because I can't talk. And then if I'm doing a better job at YouTubing, then I'm not riding hard because then I'm trying to talk and not focus and ride and have fun. It's hard, man. All these pro YouTubers, how do you do it? Hit me up, I would love to know. I know this GoPro isn't going to do this justice. I bet you this trail is 10.5 inches wide. Like, you can tell if I lean into the mountain, my tire just wants to crawl up. Got no light. Don't got no headlight. The Cherubies, man. I'm telling you. Cheap. Good. And just bomb. Like, I love their headlights. Like, there could be better, yes. And there are better, yes. But for the money, you can't beat them. Oh boy. That's a big one. That's a big girl that came down. I would have loved to have been out here in the middle of the woods when that thing came down, just preferably not underneath it. You know? That'd be sick though to hear. I love these woods. Man, I love these trails. I've missed dirt biking so much over the winter. That about does it. Peace.